Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unarchive tasks on ClickUp. Maybe you want to revisit and reactivate previously completed or inactive tasks that have become relevant again. So today I'm going to show you how to unarchive tasks on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space where the archive task is located. If you don't remember, just go to Everything section. In this page, tap on this filter icon at the top right corner. A menu with several tabs will appear just below the icon. And here, tap on this Filter tab. In this window, tap on this Add Filter option. Now here, look for Archive, then tap on it. Don't forget to tap on this Done option to apply the filter that you want. After that, you will now see all the tasks that have been archived. Choose the task that you want to unarchive. For example, I want to unarchive this task, so simply tap on it. Once you have opened the task, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. In this menu, you can now see this unarchive option, so simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully unarchived a task on ClickUp. You can now see it again in your home page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unarchive tasks on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unarchive tasks on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.